Okay, we have a Lagun model FT5 vertical milling machine with a universal table and saddle. This machine was new in the 1990s and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a 63-inch by 13 3/8 table with 46 inches of table travel, 12 5/8 cross, and 16 7/8 of vertical. You also have the QUILL, which has QUILL travel of 6 inches, 4 3/8 diameter, number 40 taper ERICKSON quick switch, super quiet, forward and reverse, he's running it. Again, it's variable. The table has both longitudinal and cross feed. Right now he's running longitudinal. You can see it up on the digital readout. Hold on, let it go for a minute. Yep, you see it on the digital readout. Now you hit rapid. Rapid traverse, the other way. It's feeding and rapid. You also have cross feed of the table. You can see the handle turning there. Yep. Other direction, and see it, and rapid. The bed has hardened and ground ways that are inserted into them. That's the knee up and down, which is also geared, and feed, and rapid. Beautiful. Spindle has a 5 horsepower motor. That feed motor is 2.5 horsepower. And that's power feed of the QUILL. Oh, you're going the wrong way. Yep. Variable speed. Very nice. Okay. That's it. Yep. Thank you for watching our video.